Hello traders, I hope trading is going good for everybody. Now I'm back again. This is the third part of this video, I mean the unique hedge strategy. And last time when I recorded the video, that time we had $36 something. Now we are up and it's now $52. Okay, so let's talk about this strategy. All right, so yeah, this is these two trades. Okay, we already talked about these previous trades, and this is the these are new trades here. You see the time, April 11, 13, 20, April 11, 13, 21. So I did buy and sell same time, same lot size with same pair, with the gap of I think 20 pips, and the buy order, sell order take profit hit. The buy order, this order was stuck there, and I had to open then how many more trades here? Let's see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. One second. No, let's calculate again. I think 1. This will, no, this is the one. This will, we will not calculate because it has closed. It was closed. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 trades. Okay, buy sell kept on going because based on the strategy, if the one position is in loss, I have to open opposite position with the increased lot size. Thereafter there is no increasement, increasement. Simply we will place a same lot size. Okay, and you see guys here, swap charges, huge charges. Okay, compared to according to the lot size, swap charges are huge here because for how many days these trades were opened? 11 April 11, right? And these trades were closed like 26th of the April. More than 2 weeks, I think. Yes, more than, I think there may be weekends, so more than a week. Say 7 8 9 10 days, I think, working days. Alright, so eventually all these were were in like a break even, and I only earned the money. Actually this is the demo guys, but just just for the demonstration. So $19 profit was profit there, but thereafter there was no profit, even though had I stayed a little longer, I would have earned made some sort of more money here. But the idea was to get out of the position with a break even. Okay, so guys, and I had more opportunity to trade. I mean, we cannot say the opportunity, right? Because this is there's no analysis, nothing. We just need the little volatility, and that's enough. But thereafter there is no trades, guys, here, because I was busy research and development other strategies, guys, working on the unique strategies. So that's why. But yeah, I will continue with this account, and whenever I get time and good amount of trades, let's say I think this is the highest trades for this one, the 10 trades. Maybe in future we may see that, like say 20-30 trades we have to open. But eventually, guys, if you control the money management, you will never face a problem. I believe that. Okay, but if you open a initial lot size, let's say with the account of 5,000, if you open the account, let's say open a lot size half standard lot, 1 standard lot, then definitely, guys, there will be a huge problem very soon. Okay, so you need to control on your lot sizes as well. Okay guys, it was a quick video just to show you guys, because some people were saying that it's not working, it will not work. So but I firmly believe, guys, this can work. Okay, and I will come definitely later with good amount of trades here, and I'll see you again.